Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a saving leaderboard in ROBLOX Studio. Firstly, open ROBLOX Studios, then head to My Games. Then open up the game you want to add a leaderboard stats into, which saves. So I'll go into my test game. Now let the game load properly. After the game loads, firstly you have to head to the game settings section. From here, go to security and make sure that enable studio access to API services is turned on. After turning it on, save the changes, then close the window. Then head to the toolbox section. From here, you will type saving leader stats. Now you'll find lots of different scripts in here which saves your leader stats. I'll just add any one of them. Click OK. Now here it says that we have to put this script inside server script service. So just drag it and take it in the server script service folder. Close it. After that, click on the play button. Now as you can see, there is two stats that we can see on the right side of our username. We can change their value by going to player, our username, leader stat, then clicking on these currencies and changing their value. So now if we stop the game, stats will be saved. In order to check that the stats are saved, we'll head into the game again by clicking on the play button. And as you can see, our stats have been saved. So this is how we can add a saving leaderboard in our ROBLOX game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.